I'm Mike Schinner, product manager here at Killark Electric. I'm here at Galco.com to show off some brand new products. One of the products I'd like to talk about is our brand new and revolutionary Easy Seal. This is a one-of-a-kind seal-off fitting with tremendous benefits. Unlike any conventional sealing fitting, it's got no pouring spout. Therefore, it's got virtually no turn radius. It's got a very symmetrical design, so that way it makes aligning your seals that much simpler. You'll see here an Easy tab indicating green for non-poured, red for poured. How it works, so I got a little demo kit here. Remove the Easy tab. Traditional sealing fitting here, Easy Seal here. What you'll do is you'll lower the middle coupler, drop it. Now you have 360 degrees of unimpeded access to your conductors. Unlike the traditional sealing fitting where your conductors would be inside here, allowing very tight spaces to move and manipulate your conductors. What we have also done is we installed disc brush dam inside here to allow for no packing fiber or reduced packing fiber depending on your installation method. If you used our traditional SC compound, you still need a pinch of packing fiber, but if you use our new CELOX, which is a two-part epoxy liquid resin that's all self-mixed to this static nozzle, you do not need any packing fiber with this new Easy Seal. The benefit of CELOX is that you don't have to mix water, cement, get the right ratio. It's all done through this static nozzle. It is completely reusable and can fit any standard caulking gun. CELOX and Easy Seal saves time, saves money, it's easy to install, and it's in stock at Galco.com.